Y'all ready?
Everything I said I do, I did. I'm good. I'm good. Everything
Dedication.
I said I do, I did.
What's up, guys? We back at it again. We're gonna be getting my boy over here is gonna be getting an MR2.
MR2, like I said.
Like she said, yeah. I mean,
Like I said in the first video.
fender missing, pero con que maneje el güey. As long as it goes, that's all that matters. We're just waiting on the boy Brown. We can get some gas.
Using gas right now.
And how far are we going? Moreno Valley?
Moreno Valley.
We're going to Moreno Valley for this. We're gonna go check it out, and if we're convinced, we're driving this back. All right, see you then. Boy Brown finally made it. And 30 minutes later.
30 minutes later,
What?
bro.
What? Look at that van. Look at that van. Look at that van. See that? That's a death trap right there.
Next time, don't ride in there. Ride in the Rari. All right, guys, we're back at it. We're close to the location.
We are 10 minutes away from the location.
If you see some more clips, that means we did get the car. It doesn't have fenders and stuff, but it's a project car, so we'll see how it goes. And if we take it out, well, you'll see it in the next clips.
Hopefully we take it, but we'll see it first. We'll see how it drives, and if I like it, I'll take it.
All right. Alright, so my boy ended up getting the MR2.
Got the MR2, guys.
So tell me, how much you get it for?
What happened?
How much you get it for?
I got it for, yes, it's a 91, and it has 152k miles.
It's not bad for these models, huh?
I got it on.
It's a non-turbo?
It's a non-turbo, but I'm a turbo bitch.
Yeah, it's possible.
So I'll put a turbo here. Everything's clean.
Everything's super clean.
Everything's there. Everything's clean. The
Paint's brand new. It looks brand new.
I've been wanting one of these, and like I said in the first video, I was gonna pick up an MR2 for my project car. So here it is. I'm not sure what I want to do to it yet first, or right now, but
Turbo for sure. Well, first of all, we gotta make sure we get the
a couple defects, you know, but
nothing major.
so we got no fenders here, and then obviously the light. But I mean, that's thing you can fix. Not really worried about this.
So no frame damage.
The frame's all there. Yeah, the car's nice. It is light as shit. It is pretty light.
It's got all the wiring for the lights, so we're good there.
Yeah, it's just the light. It's just
they just removed them.
somebody needed them for another MR2, guys, and they just took it off. But the car's clean. It's not crashed at all. The suspension on this car is so simple. You want to see? It's like really, really simple.
Yeah.
The handling on this car, it's so different
Compared to the 350.
to the 350, bro.
Is it too quick? Does it respond too fast?
It responds too quick. Like it's whatever you do, it's just there. It turns kind of good.
How's the steering feel? Do you get feedback?
Yeah, dude. Like this shit will throw you off. Like if you're taking a turn and you, producers are known to like oversteer, I guess, just throw you out. But you can power do it wrong, then it's just gonna throw it way back to you again.
Yeah, it's got a lot of whiplash.
Yeah,
So it's gonna be a handful, but
you got a photo drive, but
I think it'll be fun.
yeah, we'll take it down.
We'll get some good videos in it.
Yeah, so hopefully next time you guys see that much in the video, so we should have the fender or the light, one or the other.
Yeah, the next 2-3 videos are probably gonna be something's gonna be going on to this.
So this MR2, yeah.
So far, this is how we got it. Got a pretty good deal on it. Pretty good mileage. So
I like it. It should be a fun car to drive.
So we'll go from there.
The shifter's kind of weird, no?
It's weird, yeah. It's kind of like offset. To me, it feels offset. But that's just me. It just feels weird because it's like my shifter's like more, feels more direct.
Yeah, it feels way more direct
compared to this. But I mean, it's an old car. Things like this are expected. We're gonna be driving around the block.
Second time driving this car, dude.
What are your thoughts on the MR2?
It feels very. The power range is. It's different.
Where do you feel it? Up top, down mid range.
I feel like the power here is in the middle from 2 to 4, from 2 to 2 to 4, maybe. I don't know. I have to give it a pull. It
Yeah.
feels cool. Stick shift feels totally different than an FRS, like my cousin's.
It sure does. I drove it already and it sure feels way different. Feels nice in a good way. Launching this thing, it grips pretty good. I mean, even though it's not that much power to it, but it grips pretty damn good. The hooks. To be expected. Engine's in the back. I'm gonna do a semi-pull probably right here. Definitely noisy. Sure is awesome. Came with a stereo too, so you have to not worry about no music. The AC works. That's good too. Ooh, that hurt me. No, the reverse is weird, way. Tienes que poner hasta la quinta la verga.
It's pretty cool. This car's feels different.
Yeah, sure does.
I like the FRS, how it feels way better. That's just opinion wise, but an FRS feels like more put together. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, 20 years of progress.
This car feels really good.
Feels solid. It's solid. It's really solid.
I just feel like it needs a tad bit of more power. A tad bit. Just so you can get more excitement. That 200 horsepower that the FRS has is like perfect for that little car. You feel good. You feel good driving that car. And this car is, I feel like it would be no different because it already feels good driving it.
Although I agree with you on that, the power is fine on the FRS. After driving it for so long with the stock power, it's kind of annoying, but I agree with you on that one.
It feels good to drive.
It's a good car for what you get. Stock right out of the box. Some nice set of wheels, nice set of tires, and big difference. Now, if you want to go for coilovers and stuff like that, obviously even more of a difference. But that's how it goes.
I don't like it. I love it.
I think everybody fell in love with this car, dude.